I'm going to review iCan.me AI Ad Maker. iCan.me AI Ad Maker is an AI-powered tool that helps businesses create professional advertisements with minimal effort. It uses artificial intelligence to generate high-quality ads based on user inputs, such as brand details, target audience, and preferred design styles. The platform offers a variety of customizable templates, allowing users to tweak colors, fonts, and images to match their brand identity. One of its key advantages is speed. Ads can be created in minutes without any prior design experience. The AI also optimizes content for different platforms, ensuring the best engagement on social media, websites, and other digital channels. However, while it's user-friendly, advanced users may find the customization options somewhat limited compared to full-fledged design software like Photoshop or Canva. Overall, iCan.me AI Ad Maker is a great option for businesses looking for a quick, automated solution to create visually appealing and effective ads without hiring a professional designer.